In 2014, I travelled all around America for 4 months, filming at 13 different locations, interviewing people at different locations. Some really great stories. I got great insight into Vegas, the post-apocalyptic inner city of Detroit, young guys starting new businesses in Cleveland. It was really fascinating, and really, for me, like, I'm, as an Aussie, an outsider's perspective of America from the mouth of talking to local people. I put a few of those videos on YouTube, but it's an unfinished project. Essentially, I'd like to put it into a complete package where people can sort of see this journey across America and just seeing, everything from Los Angeles down to New Orleans, up to New York, and into the industrial wasteland of Cleveland and Detroit, and from even Tennessee whiskey distillers. I covered the whole length and breadth. It was really fascinating. I haven't finished it, and I just want to see if there's any interest there in people buying that finished product. So what I want to do is just see if I can get 100 people who are interested in seeing the finished product. And so I'm going to do a bit of a crowdfunding campaign, and if there's 100 people interested in paying $30 to get a copy of that finished project, I will start work on it. So I've included the YouTube playlist below, so you can go and have a look at some of those videos. I'd suggest checking out, Detroit blew my mind. I mean, inner city Detroit, it's like a wasteland. And I mean, Vegas was interesting. Hollywood, interviewing a Hollywood producer. I love New Orleans. New Orleans is a favourite for me. Places like Crestone I'd never heard of before. So there's a lot of good stuff there. And if it's something that you think you'd be interested in seeing, as an independent filmmaker who funds all my own work and does it all myself, I'd really love you to chuck $30 in and help get this made. So let's do this thing. Cheers.